Ka mōhio au ko ai ahau no hea ahau. If people ask me, oh, where are you from, bro? I don't just say, oh, from the East Coast. I can give them actuals. I can give them actual kōrero about where I come from, about who we are as a people from where I come from. My own demons really, stepping away from te ao Māori at a young age, and then regathering te ao Māori at an older age. I've missed out a few good role models on this way because the kaumātuas that were around when I was younger, they've now passed on, and I've missed a wealth of knowledge that they could have offered me. I draw on ancestors that I've met as well as ancestors that I haven't met, because a lot of the time not everyone is perfect. Our ancestors would have had their own hapa as well. They would have had their own downfalls as well. But the fact is that they got over that and they carried on, and we are here because they did that. And haere ake nei, our kids will also come up with their own barriers, with their own mountains to climb, which they're gonna have to traverse that on their own, with the support of their whānau around them, obviously. But we need to enable them with the strength of our ancestors, so that they can, when it does come to their time, they'll be all right. And if we're not here on this earth to aki them, we know that they will be all right. Ka ora rātou. If you create that safe environment for your kids, they will create that same safe environment for their kids, and that's where we will eliminate, well, not eliminate, but we will mitigate trauma.